Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Valiant. Song called Loverboy. So that song you dropped about what day ago? Valentine's Day, I think you dropped it. Valentine's Day, but we never get a chance to react, so we are react now. Loverboy, you know, say love is all year round. It's not just one day. We're not compressed to love in a one day. No, it's the whole year. Yeah, and that's right there. So, Loverboy, Valiant, let's go!
To all my ladies across the world, to all my
Permission Entertainment involved, another one or two, big up.
I sing for you.
Breakfast in beds. That is it, Loverboy.
I'm here beside you when you wake up. Natural beauty, no makeup. Breakfast in bed before you get up. How you stay so? Carry up on the road, forget your nails done. Tell me how the hair go.
Yo, we rate Valiant, brother. You cannot not rate Valiant, bro. Like, we rate the man, bro. We rate the man. Yo, the man does a doing thing, bro. Yeah, G. And big up the G them when they're scared for protest them love. We show them love to them woman, bro. Cause you have enough boy out there wait. One their own man 24/7. No one bring out them woman. You understand the only place them want bring out them woman go a dance like them a soundbox. You know? Yeah, big up the man them where you know say yo, you show your love to your woman and carry out a woman out on a date and them thing there. You understand? Be put your clothes back and pick you up. Be put your clothes, let's go. Yeah. Aye! Like it! 23 records, up top. King Cam! Big up a 7G! Sing for the girl, them Valley. Let's go!
I'm here beside you when you wake up. Natural beauty, no makeup. Breakfast in bed before you get up.
Natural beauty, no makeup. Big up the girl, them know say yo, them not have in no makeup a morning time as them wake up. Big up the girl, them know say them not have to go bed with the makeup. You know say yo, they sit next to a man and you wake up and the man go say yo, what is that? No, big up the girl, them know say them natural beauty. Big up the girl, them know say yo, them comfortable in them skin with the way or them look. Big up them girl there. Them girl that we are promote. Yeah. Them girl they are dolly. Them girl they are real dolly. Yeah.
Natural beauty, no makeup. Breakfast in bed before you get up. How you stay so? Carry up on the road, forget your nails done.
Yeah.
Tell me how the hair go.
So him now left out the hair, you know. Me a carry up on the road, forget your nails done. Tell me how your hair go. Where you want go do your ear? Your regular hairdresser? Call her and see if she busy. If she not busy, we are go around there. If she busy, find someone else. Go call one of your friends and ask them which part them do for them ear. And that's the thing there. Yeah, but your nails, we are go up on the road for your nails and your hair. So tell me how that go.
Carry up on the road, forget your nails done. Tell me how the hair go.
Yo, me see that thing, me see that challenge up on TikTok. Let me see what it say on it.
Tell me how the hair go.
Horseback riding, Mystic Mount. Whoa, yeah. Whoa.
So fight and still not let go. Swear for my life, for you I'm a wife, though. Tell it to the world.
Go back to this again. Me like how she approach her natural hair. Me like this. Me love this. You don't really see girl that do this nowadays. You do see them, but not as often as you should. Big up the girl that me approach them natural beauty, yo. Yeah, them girl that me I promote. Yeah.
You are my wife, though. Tell it to the world. And you are my girl. Tell it to the world. And you are my girl. Tropical oasis. I'm away with you.
So our ear still good. So tell me how your ear go. Just care her go do her nails. She good with her ear being like that. She sit there on the horseback riding with her ear out same way. Me notice it. Because I like them something there. Yes, I do. Let's go.
My girl. Tropical oasis. I'm away with you for months.
Away.
I know what's your favorite. Been years with you, not months. Oh baby, my love is so patient.
She have fun. I like it.
She call me a lover boy, I'm a lover boy. Cupid, shoot me.
And when me can do them something there? When can I do those something there? I want to do those something there too with a girl. I do want to do it. When me can do it? Yeah. Yeah. More go. All back riding too. Yeah, I do.
Cupid,
Donkey, by the way. Not donkey riding. Yeah.
Cupid, shoot me. She call me a lover boy, I'm a lover boy.
Loverboy, dog. That is it, man.
Cupid, shoot me. Cupid.
And the girl deserve to get them thing, because some of them now do what them supposed to do to get them thing here. Big up the ladies them who are do them part of the relationship. Big up the ladies them who have them man back. Big up the ladies them who add something valuable to the table, just like how the man do. Big up them girl. Me can't take the girl and sit down and depend like if you not shit them on ya. Me can't marry them girl, man. Nah, man. Nah, man. Big up the girl and take care of them man too. I'm not talking about monetary take care of your man. I'm not talking about no financial take care of your man. No. Big up the girl them know what them supposed to do. For the man feel them type of way, if you bring them out. It's love. Love from both sides. That is it. Not one-sided thing. No.
Shoot me. Shoot me.
More again.
Ever did the studio.
River rafting. Ah.
When can I see you?
You know that me can't you do it. No video call, real life, come on and see ya. Make us
What you talking me on the door? The river. You know what I'm saying?
that me can't you do it. No video call, real life, come on and see ya.
No river. No video call. A real life thing. Come on, want see you. Yeah, me want touch you. Yeah, me want hug you. Kiss you and them something there. Yeah, that is it.
You know that me can't you do it. No video call, real life, come on and see ya. Make us start to perform, you know. Get the house and the car, we're married now.
Social media is a fucked up thing, you know. Me see that clip up on social media when them there on the river rafting thing and I go around. And me don't know who post it or who, well, obviously, I knew that it was from a music video because there's no way a person can get an angle like that and don't catch him attention. If you know, say, yo, him there on something like this and somebody a video him and him not see it or not look on the camera. No, me didn't know, say, it's some sort of a project him a deal with. So, when me see this, me I say, yo, social media, fuck up, you know, look at the man and say, yo, the man there, pan river rafting with woman. Me see it and me I say, yo, people fuck up.
Make us start to perform, you know. Get the house and the car, we're married now. Let's talk about me and you. More time you feel like you're being you. Call me a liar, I'ma tell you the truth. So
Yeah, that suit look like one long time big man suit with the hat. Valley, because there's energy in that style suit still. But that suit look like one long time big man. Where I try to be a young boy, you know, him go on him vacation and him have on him felt and him have on him suit, you know. I saw the boss look, yeah, big man settings. That's right there. Nothing wrong with the settings, BG. Continue, bro. Continue. I like it. Yeah. Yeah. Talk about me and you, man. Yeah. Big man Valley. Picnic. Be a surprise you again.
You call me my name. Tell me
She's beautiful though. She is beautiful. Very beautiful. Cupid! Bumbleclaw. Valley, you dash your jinx, brother? All you can't dash your jinx by yourself, my boss. You can't do that, my boss. You spoil the moment, my boss. You get a rose and dash your jinx by yourself. Clumsy. Yo, better. Start that out, G. What that? Look on the glass. Look on the glass, yeah. It's empty. Oh, it's empty. Then nobody take out that total video. Yeah, left it in there. It's empty. I think this was an honest mistake when I leave that the video, which is good. Which is good. I like it. You see if him look down, him look down out of character there. If you notice him break character, if you look down quickly, me like stuff like this. Watch out. Yeah. She laughed too. Cupid, shoot him. Vocals, man. Catch flow, pussy. Yeah, look good, man.
If I'm a King Cam shoot this, it's not shoot good,
King Cam, big up yourself, man, G. Rate it, dog.
Free.
King Cam, I rate my fam. Big up yourself, bro. You know some rate already, bro. Big up in all of the project them what me you know say. How you do me big up in that image. Big up yourself. Never disappoint as always, bro. Me love it. Like me say, big up the G them where I protest them love. Fake. The females them. Big up females where I protest them love. Same way too. Me like it. Yeah, man. Me like it, man. Valiant, big up yourself, bro. You're not miss, brother. You're not putting no foot wrong, bro. Anyway, this is how I'm going to do it. If you enjoyed that one, I want to see more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around here if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!